The time has come for a new and exciting episode of Tech Lyceum, a podcast from Birlasoft. Buckle up for an action-packed journey from plants of the future to the next paradigm shift in manufacturing. Leading the way are Shyamdat Kamble, Associate VP Digital Manufacturing at Birlasoft, and Rakesh Maheshwari, Associate VP and Global Delivery Head for Discrete Manufacturing Services at Birlasoft.
What we see in the marketplace is surely a customer preference shift. Emergence of new distribution models is for real. The geopolitical uncertainties are definitely impacting all of us. The supply chain disruptions have impacted all of us in the last few years. And ESG regulations are definitely becoming more binding, right?
The larger point what I want to make is you can't just keep waiting for your internal systems to be fixed or your organization management to be fixed. We have to get into those aspects, find out where are the gaps, come out with the pain points, and keep moving into the ladder of the maturity of Industry 4.0. And once you are there, then you think of how I can be future ready in terms of Industry 5.0.
Catch this conversation only on Tech Lyceum, a podcast from Birlasoft. Listen to the full episode on www.birlasoft.com.